What's up, YouTube? This is going to be a very quick video. Basically, here's the rundown. Got this thing already, but I'm going to sell it, and let me show you why. Oh. Hold up. So this is the car I just bought from Seattle. 2JZGTE Borge Warner S366. It rips. Fatty intercooler. R150 4-stage 5 clutch dual disc. This thing's bad. And I'll cut to a clip of me ripping it just a little bit. The radiator fan relay shit itself, so I have to fix that. Other than that, this thing's got 300ZX brakes. So it can actually stop, full coils, whole deal, race car. And you'll see a bunch more on the channel. Stay tuned. It'll be pretty sick. Yep. She's recording, so just, alright.
Do people know, like, what the fuck this thing is?
I'm gonna go slow on my street though, cause... You ready?
No, not at all. This thing is straight a Mack truck, dude.
No joke.
Fuck, man. Oh my fuck!